All right. In problems 4 and 5, we're actually going to go back to area equals half base times height, because the first thing they're asking us to do is find the altitude. Altitude is another word for the height of a triangle. So here this h does not mean hypotenuse. Here this h means height. This side, this leg, is opposite my 48. So that's my opposite. My 12 is my hypotenuse. So again, h is the height of the triangle. It's the first thing that I want to find. So I can see that sine of 48 is equal to that side h over the hypotenuse, which is 12. Multiply by 12. That tells me that the height is 12 sine 48, which is approximately, let's see, 8.92. Of course, I'm not going to use 8.92 when I do future calculations. I'm going to use the whole thing. So let's find the area. Now, I could use half 12 16 sine 48, or since I've already done the 12 sine 48 in my calculator, I can go back to the fact that area is 1/2 of the base times the height. And again, here h is my height. So then I can put that into my calculator. 1/2, so I'm just going to use 1/2 times the base times my previous answer, 71.3, so that's approximate centimeters squared. This problem 5 is exactly the same, except instead of drawing my height straight down, now I've drawn my height to go across the triangle. And that's fine. This can be my height. In that case, this side would be the base. So finding the height, I'm going to look at this right triangle here, and I'm going to redraw that so that it's facing down. So I've got a little side, and then I've got a really tall side there. So this angle here is my 78.6. This little side is here. I know nothing about it. This tall one we've labeled h for the height, not the hypotenuse. That's actually opposite of the 78.6. My hypotenuse is 14. So I can find this height value again using sine. Sine of 78.6 is equal to that opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. So 14 times sine of 78.6. And that will give us the approximate height. Okay, 13.7 centimeters. And again, I'm not using the rounded value when I actually calculate the area. I'm going to say half. This time my base is 11 because that's what my height is touching. And then the height, and that'll be approximately. So 1/2 times 11 times my full, not rounded value, 75.5 centimeters square.